Guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you've never been here before. And my name is Fiona, and that's my baby boo Kevin over there. We are going on an excursion today on the boat to an island. Sorry, the background's a mess. You know, we're on vacation, so shit's just been rushed. But yeah, we're kind of running late, so we gotta get to it. I'll see you guys there. So we just got to the island. If you cannot tell in those last clips, we were scuba diving. That was my first time ever scuba diving. Oh my god, was it so much fun. And then we got these little necklaces. Mine's a turtle. This one's for females. And then Kevin got, I think it's not a totem. I don't know what you would call it. I'll put it in here if I remember what they are. But so Kevin got that. That's for males. And we're at Catalina Island. So that's the island we're at. It's so gorgeous. I love it here. Y'all, we met this guy on the boat trip here, and he has a drone. So in these next clips, I'm gonna first show you me and Kevin walking on the beach. It's gonna look so good. I can't wait for you guys to see these. y'all, we just got back from the boat, and if you could not see, we were vibing, I was vibing at least, to some music by the infinity pool, and me and Kevin ended up staying there, getting some drinks, you know, vibing to the music. But now we're hanging out in the pool. I'll show Kevin, he's hanging out in the pool actually. I'm just chilling. Your girl is burnt from this whole week, so I'm just trying to chill in the shade. But Kevin's getting lit in the pool, so I'm gonna show him. So this is a patio, if you cannot already remember, but Kevin's vibing. Ooh. My baby's having fun in the pool. Baby, you having fun? Kevin's lit as fuck. He's a little drunk. He's been drinking like literally all day. I've only had like 2 or 3 drinks, so I'm not there, but Kevin's lit. My baby's so cute, bro. I love this man. Kevin's dad got me a chocolate alcohol drink. This shit is good. It's good. Okay, y'all, so we're at dinner right now, and Kevin's a little lit, but I'm tired, I'm hungry, and we're probably just gonna eat and go back to the room and chill and go to sleep. So I'm just gonna close out the video today. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go check out my social medias down below. Add me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok if you would like. I love you guys so much. Peace.